This show is for entertainment purposes. You should always craft and create with an adult. Some tools can be dangerous by yourself. Always ask an adult for help. Thank you for calling Art with Chongo. What do you want?
Yes, do you do art?
Yes. This is Art with Chongo. Of course I do.
Is this the place with Chongo?
Of course this. Yes. Yes, it is.
Great, great. Could you make a bird sculpture for me out of clay?
Yeah. Yes, a bird. Could you tell me what a bird is exactly? I'm not from around here.
Not from around here. Oh, you're funny.
Yeah. A bird.
When you're done, could you ship it to 55555555 East 5th Street in Fivesburg, Connecticut?
Yeah, sure. But again, I don't.
Okay, thanks, bye.
No, wait. Hello? Fiddlesticks.
A few moments later.
Let's see. Bird. Oh, here it is. Bird. A warm-blooded creature with feathers, a beaked mouth, 2 wings, 2 legs, and it can fly. A bird is also a term used to describe a peculiar person. Okay, warm-blooded, feathers, a beaked mouth, 2 wings, 2 legs, and peculiar. Okay, seems easy enough. Let's do it. Okay, before I get started with the clay, I'm gonna sketch things out so I can get some ideas on what I want to do. I'm not from Earth, so I've never really seen a bird, but Chongo's pretty smart. I'll figure it out. Could I go outside and try and find one? Probably, I guess, but I don't want to spend hours and hours trying to find some kind of animal. I'll figure it out, trust me. Okay, so I've never actually seen a bird, but I'm gonna make it egg shape because, well, eggs come from birds. So, it'd be egg shape. I mean, this isn't rocket science. I really wasn't sure what wings looked like either, but I've seen airplanes, so... I mean, this isn't hard, people. Wings are wings. Okay, now I'm going over everything with a brush marker. But Chongo, why are you doing that? Because I bought some brush markers and I just want to try them out. Deal with it. Now you're probably wondering how I drew a bird so accurately without seeing one. You're probably thinking I cheated, but I promise you I have never seen a bird. Okay, now we're gonna build a frame out of aluminum foil. Or for you people in England, aluminium foil, I guess? I don't know. But we're gonna build it so it gives it strength, kind of like a skeleton. Okay, you want to make it as close to the way you want it to look as possible, but it doesn't need to be exact, because you're just going to cover this with clay anyway. Do. Ah! Okay, I'm going to stick these sticks in the side for the wings, but first I got to poke a hole in it with this thingamabobber here. Oh yeah, this is looking so awesome. Ah! Okay, now we're going to use model magic. Okay, now you need to be really careful when you work with this stuff. It's really easy to get it stuck in your fur, especially when you're using a rolling pin. Okay, roll. Come on. Come on. I said roll. Come on. Just kidding. I'm calm. Okay, just roll it out nice and easy. Try not to get your hand first stuck in there. Flippity over. Chongo rolling, 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 rolling. What? Sword fight. Okay, now I'm gonna cut these into little strips, like so. Like little strips of bacon. Art bacon. Okay, now we're gonna wrap our birdie in the art bacon. Do. Voila! Now we put the beaked mouth on. We use this tool here to press in so you can see where the teeth are. I don't know much about birds, but I would imagine the teeth are very important. He doesn't have hands, so he has to have good teeth. Now I'll use this spiky tool here to draw the teeth in, like so. Now I'm gonna use the side of the tool so you can see good separation between the teeth and the beak. Looking pretty realistic, huh?
Hi.
See, I told you. Look at that. I love it. Love it!
Wee.
Now we work on the what? The butt.
Ooh.
Excuse him, he's been holding that in for a while.
Excuse me. Oh my, I can see. I can't believe I can see. Whoa, too close. Too close, buddy.
Okay, now I'm gonna make ears. Now I know what you're thinking. Chongo, he doesn't look very peculiar. If there's one thing I know about peculiar people, they're always winking.
Well, hello there. Hi.
Like, what's up with that?
I can hear.
Oh, and now you have ears. And feathers.
Ooh, wow. Hi. What are you doing? Ow, hey. Ow. Hey, what are you doing? Ow.
Now, I was trying to give it feathers with this pointy thing here. It didn't quite turn out the way I wanted.
Stop it. Ow. Wait,
He kinda just looks like he has really bad acne.
that's my... Oh, thank you.
Okay, here I'm using a plastic butter knife to add texture to the legs and
You're
feet.
shaking me. Can't stop. You're shaking. I'm shaking. Hi. See you later.
Okay, so I wanted to make some feathers to cover up our pimpled mess on our bird. So I got this rolled up fastener thingamabobber from the hardware store. Pretty cool, huh? I shaped it the way I wanted, and now it's kind of like a little cookie cutter. Shape this any way you want. Then you flatten out your clay with the rolling pin, and it's like you're making cookies. Okay, and this is what the feathers look like when it's done. Ta-da! Look at that. Looks like a real bird, doesn't it? Now we just need to paint. Okay, this color is called Burnt Sienna. This is gonna be the main color for the feathers. And here we have white. That's gonna be for the teeth. Duh. And this is the pink color, which I'm gonna use for the eyes, and maybe the booty, and ears. And the yellow color is gonna be for the beak, and the legs and feet. Little dab here. Doo-doo-doo. Doo-ba-doo-ba-doo. Now for the burnt sienna color for the feathers. And here is the grand finale, all finished. I know what you're thinking. Well, where is it? I just see a real bird sitting out here. But nope. This is what I made. Crazy, huh? They're all set. This guy's gonna be really happy. What a lucky man. One project done, another lucky customer.
2 days later.
Before we go, I wanted to thank you guys for watching my video and hopefully liking and subscribing. This is the first episode of hopefully many shows, so... Oh, phone call. Thank you for calling Art with Chongo. What do you want?
Yeah, I'm just calling to say I got my bird sculpture.
Oh, that's great. I'm glad you got it.
Yeah, I got it all right.
You love it, right? I know. It's amazing work.
Yeah, it's something. I mean, have you even ever seen a bird before? What were you thinking?
Yeah, believe it or not, I've never seen a bird. Hard to believe, I know. Well, bye-bye.
No, wait.
Okay, Chongonians, I guess I'll see you next time. I'll catch you on the flippity flip.